Hello, this is the Radio Geek from Radio Geek Blades. Today for you, I got something a little extra special, at least I think so. This is a case pocket worn in the red box. And this one is the pocket worn Old Redbone Corncob Jig Mini Trapper 6207 SS for stainless steel, born on 8/2 of 24. Very nice. Very nice. Let's take a look at this guy. Look at that mini trapper, worn redbone, pocket worn redbone. Look at that jigging. That is so neat. I really like that. It's a little lighter on the top, and then it's a little darker, and it's kind of like, I guess the pocket worn, they just polish it more, you know, make it look like it was you know, going around in your pocket a little bit longer. So it's kind of like a like an enhanced method of making it look like it's got a little wear on it, I guess. But I like it. I really love the color on this. Love that red bone. I know what it looks like on camera. It's red. It might come out, looks like, maybe it looks like might be a little bit like brown, but it's really red. It's kind of a really dark strawberry color with some lighter pinkish hints to it there. And it's got that oval shield with the script case in there. The pins are nice and smooth. The bolsters are really smooth and even to the bone. Back spring looking good. No gaps there. Looks really nice. Got a little mark there on the back there. Let's take a look at the blades here on this mini trapper. Of course, we got the Spey blade here. The 6207 stainless steel USA there. You can see that. And hopefully I've got that at an angle where you can read it. But yeah, that's a nice nice Spey blade. Got a little bit of oil on it there. Stainless steel. But I always like to get some oil on it and keep them oiled up. Let's listen. Oh, that's pretty good snap. I see this clip point blade. Yeah, there you go. Nice clip point blade for sure. And this one is a 2024 there, with the newer etched instead of the stamped. But all in all, really nice. I'm really liking it. Really liking that red bone. That pocket worn looks great. Really like it. Yeah, good snap on that. Really digging the pocket worn, the red. Just really liking it. Really digging the red. What do you guys think? You like that? A nice shade of red or what? Yes, sir. Alright. Well, I just thought I'd show you this little mini trapper. This little mini trapper is the pocket worn Old Redbone Corncob Jig Mini Trapper 6207 SS. Till next time, this is the Radio Geek from Radio Geek Blades.